Good morning, everyone. This is Angelos Zittis from IronFX, bringing you the morning comment for the 13th of April. Syria response timeframe unclear. The US seem to weigh their options regarding an attack on Syria as President Trump tweeted that the timeframe is still uncertain. The White House blurred the picture even more, as in a statement yesterday it was mentioned that no final decision has been made. Russia called for a Security Council meeting on Friday in order to rediscuss the issue and urge for calmness. Specifically, the Russian UN envoy stated that despite the fact that the possibility of a war with the US cannot be excluded, the immediate priority is to avert the danger of a war. On the other hand, Theresa May seems to have the support of her cabinet to take action in response to the chemical attack. Risk appetite seems to gain ground, hence the US dollar seems to be strengthening against safe havens currently. Should there be further positive headlines, we could see the US dollar strengthening. USD/JPY moved to higher grounds yesterday, breaking the 106.95 resistance line, now turned to support. Should there be further positive headlines about Syria, we could see the pair rising even further and vice versa. Other than that, we could see the pair move in a sideways manner. Technically, the pair continues to trade above the upward trend line incepted since the 26th of March. Yesterday's movement underscored the strength of the pre-mentioned upward trend line as the pair bounced upon meeting it, providing further space and thus delaying any interception. For further clarification, please refer to our charts. Should the bulls have the upper hand, we could see the pair breaking the 107.90 resistance line and aim for the 108.57 resistance hurdle. On the other hand, should the bears take the reins, we could see the pair breaking the 106.95 support line and aim for the 106.43 support barrier. Bitcoin rose yesterday and dragged a number of cryptos with it. Bitcoin surged yesterday rather unexpectedly, providing a parallel effect on Lite Coin, Etherium and Ripple. Fundamentals seem to be unclear. However, media cite that the surge was prompt as investors which shorted the crypto were squeezed as Bitcoin remained stable in the past few days. Analysts consider there is a positive feeling among traders for the past few days, which could open room for higher grounds. We see the case for Bitcoin to continue to rise as long as positive headlines reel in. Bitcoin surged yesterday and broke the 7,425 resistance line, now turned to support. We see the case for Bitcoin to continue to rise as long as positive headlines reel in, or else to continue to trade in a sideways manner. Technically, the broader picture, the crypto seems to be moving in a sideways manner between the 8,895 resistance line and the 6,235 support level since the 13th of March. Should Bitcoin find fresh buying orders, it could aim for the 8,895 resistance line, while should it come under selling interest, we could see it breaking the 7,425 support line and aim for the 6,235 support level. In today's other economic highlights, during today's European morning, we get Germany's final HICP rate for March, Eurozone's trade balance figure for February, and the IEA monthly report. In the North American session, we get the preliminary consumer confidence indicator for April, the JOLTS job opening figure, and the US Baker Hughes oil rig count. As for speakers, FOMC members Rosengren and Bullard, as well as Dallas Fed President Kaplan speak. For more information, please read the full comment on ironfx.com or download our app and get all the information you need to trade. Also, you can follow us on Twitter, like us on Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, or circle us on Google Plus to get more trading ideas. This is Angelos Zittis from IronFX, wishing you solid trading.